English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun, 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Part 1, listening practice. Listen carefully to the conversation. Don't repeat yet. Just listen and understand.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Emily Brown.
Let me check. Yes, Miss Brown. You booked a double room for 3 nights.
That's correct.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please. How much is it?
It's $10 per day.
That's fine.
Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation.
Reservation. A booking made in advance. Examples. I made a reservation online. Do you have a reservation? Emily had a reservation at the hotel.
And I'm confirming my reservation.
Confirming my reservation.
Hi. Reservation for holiday?
We're confirming a reservation. A reservation.
Double room. A room for 2 people. Examples. We booked a double room. The double room has 1 large bed. She stayed in a double room for 3 nights.
I have 1 bed left in a double room.
Single room or a double room? Let me check. Yes, 1 double room upstairs.
Included. Something that is part of the price. Examples. Breakfast is included. Is Wi-Fi included in the price? Emily asked if breakfast was included.
Myself included.
You are not born. Nobody's perfect. Myself included.
Included a finance class, so interest is included.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Emily Brown.
Did the receptionist welcome Emily to the Sunrise Hotel? Yes, she did. She welcomed Emily to the Sunrise Hotel. Did Emily have a reservation? Yes, she did. She had a reservation under the name Emily Brown.
Let me check. Yes, Miss Brown. You booked a double room for 3 nights.
That's correct.
What kind of room did Emily book? A double room. She booked a double room for 3 nights. Did Emily book the room for 1 night? No, she didn't. She booked it for 3 nights.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Did the receptionist ask for Emily's passport? Yes, she did. She asked to see her passport. Did Emily give her passport? Yes, she did. She gave her passport.
Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please. How much is it?
It's $10 per day.
Did the receptionist offer breakfast? Yes, she did. She asked if Emily would like breakfast included. How much was the breakfast per day? $10 per day. It was $10 per day. Did Emily agree to include breakfast? Yes, she did. She agreed to include breakfast.
That's fine.
Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor.
What did the receptionist give to Emily? She gave her the room key. Which floor was Emily's room on? The 5th floor. Her room was on the 5th floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
What did the receptionist say at the end? She said, "Enjoy your stay."
Great job! Keep answering out loud. Your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel. Let me check. Yes, Miss Brown. You booked a double room for 3 nights. May I see your passport, please? Thank you. Would you like breakfast included? It's $10 per day. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Emily Brown. That's correct. Sure, here you go. Yes, please. How much is it? That's fine. Thank you very much.
Well done. You've completed all 4 parts of today's English speaking practice. Repeat this video every day for 1 week, and you'll notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out another practice video right here. Keep going, your English will get better and better. See you next time.